Sometimes you find that you're doing some of the most strangest things happening. We had torrential rain yesterday, really bad. I got absolutely soaked, and my hands on the steering wheel came up jet black. Whoever had the motor before me, they must have been driving it with dirty, oily hands. Well, to work or so. But I didn't really realise until my hands were wet. Anyway, my hands were jet black, so I've had to clean the steering wheel. Unfortunately, I had to use chuck wash to try and get the amount of dirt off. And because the steering wheel was really rough, after I wiped it with wet wipes yesterday, so I had to go and really get as much dirt out of it as I could. And what I've found is, obviously, leather is a skin, so you've got to put the moisture back into it. And believe it or believe it not, After-Son, this has worked wonders on the old steering wheel. And I've been putting a bit on and leaving it, putting a bit on and leaving it. And I don't normally do it. I'll put it on my hand and do it, but I'll just put it on there so you can see. And then you just rub it into the steering wheel and work it in. And here's where someone's been twisting the hands around and everything and made the steering wheel really coarse. And this, putting After-Son, I've tried leather cream, I've got Autoglym leather cream, but it's not working as well as After-Son. And I put quite a bit on, and then I'll leave it and let it soak in, and I've just rubbed it in, and there's a massive difference now. The steering wheel, after I'd wiped it with wet wipes yesterday because I got absolutely covered in dirt off of it, it felt like sandpaper, and now it's really getting better. I mean, this was terrible before. Now it's a lot better. So if you find that your steering wheel is all dried up, put some After-Son milk on it. It works for your skin, and leather steering wheel is skin, so try it. It's worked on this.